beauties, and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today we're going to be trying on some summer workout clothes from Halara. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Halara, but I'm giving you all my honest opinions and reviews. If you haven't already seen some of my previous Halara Try On Hauls, I'll go ahead and link them in the cards. I love how Halara's workout clothes are really easy to put on, but you're never taking it easy when you're wearing Halara. As soon as I slip into one of their workout sets, I know it's time to get serious and start my workout. If you like any of the items from today's haul, I will have everything linked in the description box below. And don't forget to use my code RANDY20 for 20% off. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, I'm a size extra small in everything, and I'm 5'2" and 115 pounds. Just for a size reference if you're placing an order too. I'm going to start off with the workout shorts category, and then I'm going to go into workout pants and then tops. And I picked out all these pieces and colors for summer workouts. The first pair we're going to be trying on are these bright blue yoga / biker pant shorts. They're that stretchy material and they're going to be super tight on, but they also have pockets. I love the little V-cut in the front. That is so pretty. They fit so nice. They're so form-fitting, but they don't feel too tight. Here's a view from the side and from the back. I love how there's pockets so you can put your phone or your headphones or keys. But most importantly, I feel like when I'm getting these yoga or biker shorts, I really want them to have some length on them because I do like to jog, and when I jog, they usually ride up. But these longer shorts tend to stay in place, and I feel like these are going to be so perfect for summer jogs at the park. Also, I'm just loving the color. The bright blue is going to be so pretty for summer. And the material is still super stretchy, even though they look skin tight, like it doesn't feel like I'm so suffocated in them. These are so comfortable. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and try the next pair. So these are basically the same exact style, but in a different color. I'm very repetitive. When I like something, I want it in a million colors. And I really wanted to show you all their fun summer color options. Once again, I'm loving the fit on these. I love that they're form-fitting, but they don't feel suffocating. And I feel like pockets are always a must-have on workout clothes. And I'm loving the crossover V-cut in the front. And I am so obsessed with this color. It's seriously perfect for summer. We all know butter yellow is the color of the summer. Here is the view from the side and from the back. I forgot that I usually do a squat test for most pants and skirts, but since these are the same style, we can just go ahead and do it once. I don't feel restricted and I don't feel like they're too tight. 10 out of 10. And I'm so obsessed with these fun colors. That's honestly my favorite part. Okay, let's try on the last pair of shorts. Next we have some fun pink shorts in the same style. And here they are. These are so soft. I don't think you guys understand how soft the material of these shorts are. Even though they look super tight, it's just so soft. By the way, the length of these shorts is 7 inches if you were wondering. I just really prefer the 7-inch length so it goes about halfway down my thigh so that it's not gonna risk running upwards. I just feel like there's no worse feeling when you're jogging and your shorts slide all the way up here, up to your thigh, and it feels like you're wearing panties and you're trying to pull at them while you're jogging. You definitely don't want to feel like you're having to readjust your clothes while you're trying to work out. And I love how this soft fabric makes it really effortless to put these on too. You don't have to do that weird shake thing to get on the tight pants. Here is the side view in the pink and the view from the back. These are so comfortable. They're going to be perfect for a hot summer day. And obviously you aren't limited to wearing these when you're working out. You can also wear them out and about if you have that sporty girl style. Especially with the variety of colors, you can really style these however you want. Okay, so now should we get into the long workout pants? Even though it's summer, I really prefer to wear long workout pants to the gym because they have all the fans on and there's a lot of people there, and I just sometimes really like wearing long pants. Obviously paired with a tank top. But I got some fun colors for summer, so let's go ahead and try those on. Okay, so we're gonna start with one of the bright fun colors. This style, in my opinion, is a combination between biker pants and sweatpants. So it has that form-fitting look, but it feels like you're wearing sweatpants. So these are my definite go-to when it's that time of the month and I'm feeling bloated and I'm not feeling like wearing skin-tight clothes. But I still want to feel put together when I'm going to the gym. So let me try them on and kind of show you what I'm talking about. So you've got nice deep pockets. And down here at the bottom, it's nice and tight. But as you can see at the top, it's pretty loose. But it still looks tight when you're not messing with it, but if you actually are wearing them, you'll feel that up top you have a lot of room. So that's why I really love them when I'm on my period, because it's like you can wear whatever and be bloated and not still feel confined in this area, but still feel like you're wearing cute workout pants. Or if you're doing leg day and you really hate wearing skin tight pants while you're working out, I feel like these would be perfect. It does have a little tie up top so you can keep them nice and secure if you're feeling like they're too loose. But oh my gosh, I love this color for summer. They're so pretty. Let me show you them from the back. Super comfortable and super cute. And we can go ahead and do that squat test. They are so comfortable. I feel like they're nice and loose right here. Don't come at me for my form. I'm not actually trying here. I'm just trying to give an idea of what it's like to move around in them. I'm also balancing on a chair right now so that you can see the clothes at the best angle. I definitely feel like these are going to be my go-to pants this summer. The next pair are just standard workout leggings. So the full tight fit. But I don't know if any of you have heard, but it is mermaid girl summer. A lot of girls are going for that mermaid aesthetic. But I'm actually currently rewatching H2O, which is one of my favorite shows. But I thought this colorway was just perfect for summer because it kind of reminds me of a mermaid tail. Is that lame? I don't care, but I think it would be super cute for summer. So let's go ahead and try these on. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I even feel like the V-cut gives it even more of a mermaid vibe. I am seriously in love with this color. And honestly, the fit too. Because even though these are skin tight, they're really not. They feel very loose and free. Like here is the view from the side, and I just want to show you, I could literally have like a baby bump and still be able to fit in these super comfortably. So if you are pregnant, I would definitely take a look at Halara's leggings because the material that they use is just so soft and stretchy, but it still gives you that tight look. We can go ahead and do the squat test. Ignore my knees popping. These are so comfortable. I don't feel like they're squeezing me at all while I'm doing a squat. I feel like I could do cartwheels and somersaults in these if I could actually do those things, which I can't, unfortunately. Maybe these will be my training pants. Let's go ahead and look at them from the back. Sorry, plant. These are just so nice. They fit so well. I also feel like they're kind of giving ocean vibes, just like ocean watercolor, if you're not into the mermaid thing. I feel like if you are wearing long pants in the summer, these are just so cute. And they also have pockets on the side, which as you know are essential. Let's go ahead and try on the next pair. So the next pair are basically the same style, but the color is like a dusty gray purple. I think purple is just a really pretty color for summer. So let's go ahead and try these on. Once again, I love the V-cut front and how it's like overlapping. I feel like it's really flattering. Bend down a bit so you can see it better. And of course we have the essential pockets on the side. I need pockets in my workout pants. And I'm just loving this color for summer. This is just so cute. Here they are from the side. And from the back. And once again, this material is just so comfortable. It doesn't feel like I'm suffocating in these or like it's hard to move, which obviously is essential in workout pants. And when I put these pants on, I'm not having to do that jumping thing where it's a struggle. I feel like all of my other brands of workout pants that are tight like this are just a struggle to get on. But these just slide on like butter. I'd show you me putting them on, but that's a little too much. Sorry, y'all. And last but not least, in our pants category, we have some basic black workout pants. And while I know black isn't a typical summer color, I just feel like black is an essential in every workout wardrobe, especially in long basic workout pants. And the only existing black workout pants that I have are from high school, and they're from a random store, and they're super tight. And they are definitely the type that I have to jump into because they're so tight. And when I say they're so tight, they literally leave marks on the side of my leg from the seam. But the funny thing is they look exactly like these on, probably a little less flattering, but as far as tightness wise, they don't look any tighter than these, but they just feel so much tighter. Which is why I felt it was time to replace them and get some Halara ones. Because as we know, while Halaras do look really tight and cute, they do not feel tight and confining. I don't feel like I'm suffocating in them, and I don't feel like I'm gonna have marks all over myself when I take them off. But black is the perfect color because you can really pair them with just about anything. So here is the side view and the view from the back. And once again, they do have side pockets and the cute little V-cut front. I feel like Halara's workout pants are just the most flattering and the most comfortable, especially because Halara is actually really affordable too. Don't forget my discount code. You can also get 20% off. And it's not just me that loves Halara. I know my Pilates instructor is wearing Halara every single time I go to Pilates. So if you don't trust a Pilates princess, then who are you trusting? Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the shirts. So the first tank top is actually a style I've never tried before, but it's in a baby blue and it has a little cross back like this. I am so obsessed with Halara's tops particularly because they have built-in bras and they also have the cutest backs, so it's really effortless, but it's super cute. When I say I literally slide these on with a sweatshirt on in the morning, every morning, you can't get easier than this. So I actually went ahead and put the yellow shorts back on just to make a cute little fit. I felt like the yellow shorts would go with all these tops, so we're just gonna keep them on. As you can see from the front, it is just so seamless. The built-in bra just really keeps you secure, but it just makes it so that you don't have to put in much effort. It's literally a sports bra and a top in one. And thank goodness, because let's look at it from the back. I could not imagine trying to find a bra to go with this top, but it is so beautiful. Every single time I wear a Halara top with a cute back, I get compliments. And this is just so cute. I love how this one has thicker straps and it just feels very secure. And I'm really loving these two colors together. It is just so fun and summery. And the best thing about these tank tops is you aren't limited to just wearing them to the gym. You can totally wear them as a daily tank top if you want. And honestly, with the back, I feel like it would be super cute just to wear out and about. I feel like I give this combination a 10 out of 10. Honestly, everything I try from Halara is always a 10 out of 10. Their stuff always fits me perfectly and it's always so comfortable. Let's try on the next top. So the next top is the same exact style, but we have it in a white. White is another one of those essential workout colors, especially for summer because white just looks so good with a tan. And I figured with all the bright color bottoms, this would be perfect to pair with all of them. Okay, I am really loving the white with this yellow. I also wanted to get a white tank top to really show you how awesome the built-in bras are because you honestly cannot see anything. It looks so seamless. You can't see the sports bra underneath. It just looks like a perfect white tank top and you don't see any sign of my nipples or anything. I don't know if I showed the side view of the tank top on the last one. And here it is from the back. I just love the crisscross. And I love how thick the straps are too. Like it still has that design, but it's not taking away from the whole back. Like this is so cute and simple. I'm really obsessed. I honestly can't decide if I like the white or the blue better with these shorts. I feel like they both go in different ways. These tank tops are gonna be my new staple. And last but certainly not least, I have one of my favorite Halara tank top styles. It has this double strap situation at the top, and the back is basically backless, but it's a twist. So like the fabric kind of twists up, but it feels like you have no back on. So I'll just go ahead and try it on to show you. And of course, I got it in a super bright, fun summer pink. Oh my gosh, these colors together are so summery. I feel like strawberry lemonade right now. Once again, the built-in bra situation is so seamless, you can't even tell. It just looks like a perfect fitting tank top. And I just love the double spaghetti straps at the top. I feel like that is so pretty. But drum roll please, I'm going to turn around and show you the back, which is the star of the show. Here it is in all of its glory. Like quite literally feels like it doesn't have a back because it basically doesn't. It just has this little twist right here, but it feels so secure. But I'm gonna go ahead and bend over so you can see how secure this is. You would think with no back, it would just feel like it's falling off, but it is just like, it's really on there. And you can pretend you're at the gym or in yoga or whatever, bending over, downward dog, and you don't have to worry. Like, you're in there. That built-in bra is really doing its job. And the straps aren't sliding, but most importantly, the back twist definitely does not slide. So you're just staying in place, but it still looks so cute. So you've got this really high effort look without any effort at all. When I say I literally just slide this on, It just slides right on. And I honestly feel like this color is so perfect for summer. Once again, this workout outfit is a 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for joining me and trying on some Halara summer workout clothes. If you liked any of the pieces that I tried on today, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. And don't forget to use my discount code RANDY20 for 20% off. And thank you so much again to Halara for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't already watched one of my previous Halara Try On hauls, go ahead and watch one here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you haven't already found me on Instagram, go ahead and find me on there. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.